Kotoko currently is having one of the greatest reception omo football journey musisi ameno ka se omo Morocco a echira enwumre na omo prepare towards team a friend WAC of Morocco. Now I'm told say reception Morocco for no WAC for no dey ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko no top notch. Na omo call ye no nyoma esie nyina no na me dey rundown no bro on this particular video information we are saying to hope ye de bro enra enwumre na ebebe tutu just say the day are you to Kumasi Asante Kotoko, the day are you to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Emu nchiremu kakra bi wo ha ye de bro. Apparently this news ebe trendy because of the fact say enra no na WAC of Morocco for confirm say Oma sign former Chelsea player. Make a former Chelsea player, not former Chelsea winger. Your friend no Ziyech. Hakim Ziyech. Obekai 2021 more about Chelsea kakra. Yeah. About Chelsea kakra recently. Osa buy and okoye. Enti Hakim Ziyech also wa join WAC for no. But I can confirm to you say Echina Kotoko any WAC of Morocco game no has Hakim Ziyech and more ball nibi and mobi because Enreyana all joining on Mwenyadia will be me a participating in that particular game. Yenti na yen shannon so ewo. Now Kumasi Asante Kotoko Enra there was a heartbreaking news. Menkase enye pleasant news sa ewo Kotoko camp. Enye pleasant news because one of the key strikers yinina yedida no so say a China game no obeshego amaye no. The information we are gathering is that enwa one completed the full training session. Once a training the enka start here to the latter, but enwa in the course of the training you know ena when we yammo mpa say enye injury bina esa buy they be a technical decisions or no the any kwan so could the full hall so the better no make Albert Amoa asem ena make yes make Albert Amoa and then you may Kotoko ebe the last training session ewo Morocco for stadium hona e China game no eba so no. That's the information mensa eka Kotoko akohan a massage team omo say the players condition you know is going to be a top notch. Yes, ice bath on so ebekoso ice baths ebekoso and information I yensa can say the players have been promised huge and also a promise being dollars saying and yede more nina no makabuma be Asia wo fia. Then first leg na Asante Kotoko and the WAC of Morocco no Kotoko players miensa no ka say WAC for no show interest a players be nina makabuma be Asia wo fia nemu no ansa na no misro obe subscribe na fe Asante Kotoko international reaction also 0247 10 7260 0247 10 7260 WhatsApp here ye obe to so ho na ye nyina ye di nkomo ene ade a nti we dey madaroma mo ye Kotoko ni nko na you are welcome na ye di inkita ho ye di abobo ene atepoi ewo ho me the stories no emu nchiremu no ebebro na emum no ansana no I was say ye for the light for our path no a very important life path and the date near 23rd say omo ye adwuma omo no omo adwuma na heavy near 23rd dey near piaka it's 23rd say you know oho ayeda na wa make sure say unso nua ho ayede wo de car no atua it's 23rd na 23rd no nim so waje akatua na wo de obi car nipa na ode ne ka na enwura mfi no because na need so it's 23rd. Let's take this message as a light for our path. There is this peculiar thing happen especially Africa. Sa obide nyankopon chane yo ma otufo nyankopon there are blessings he give to us directly. Nemom no nipa nkasa nipa yawo attitudinal problem bia Adie beat me by afem. We don't believe say eno na ebe sesan ye shebre na say eno na ebe ye a blessing. Then we reject it. Obi reach out to you nipa na reach out no. Unim say oye worthless, it doesn't worth it because ono na reach out unya ya tembia una wo chase akopa de kro. But sometimes idea bi wo ho God hand it to you. Just imagine say una krom no bi check $1 million. Or say beje $1 million. Ujina how be you and say oh oboa na mum ebia na your breakthrough. This problem has been consistently with human beings' creation. Let's not undervalue nyoma ebayakwem in the form of say yenye action bi ananipa no edeba. So for instance, will be reach out to you say or the way brewa who is oh we maybe no so na nke be your blessing. This message should be allowed for a path and then edue. I'm a cut stories no real quick. Kotoko currently Morocco, you see hotel or more, it is the top-notch hotel you can have. It is the top-notch hotel you can have. In terms of preparation, was a Sunday, and you and Asante Kotoko, the advanced team, a koye, Kotoko advanced team, no nane pinkra, no can. Nane pinkra, the engineer himself on the acting IMC board, boss, and now you Asenso and in charge of marketing and branding. Asenso and sawo Hackman and in charge of external affairs. And also was part and an pinkra and a omukoye. Into omukoye no boko tuto nyoma motuto to be real honest, a top class. Utum for say to $150,000 it was reported so the mark was at Kotoko and Pennyfono and where you see Kotoko has had one of the best hotels. To see Abdo can say Morocco. Now based on the report the report we've received from Kotoko Campo Morocco, they say Kotoko and Pennyfo to put the players in good condition, Kotoko and Pennyfo are high. A very top-notch gym instructors they are doing a massage for the players. Once the players need to quiet about 4 hours journey and omokoye. Into omakohan top-notch massage expert and omo massage kumasa Sante Kotoko players throughout before the game on Friday and Yumrano. So this is something positive. You say on the Africa game near Cassette, it should be state of the biggest state of the art neoman at least it should be standard yehusa neomano. Then Kotoko asa akohan adiwe no omo freno ice bath international pa Morocco hotel ho and omasa high the expect of omo ye ice bath place near training we are on ice bath so that you'll be so much refreshed. And also those services have been engaged by Kumasi Sante Kotoko. And now, in terms of Kotoko Adrian Yemunonso, I can exclusively report say Asante Kotoko Ekonomo de Shito Ekoye. Shito no Modeko, and the whole idea was that Omokwa Omuankasa Beno Omo Omo Shito ne sa anyomano no so matiti bi agusu no madi enya afina nkofo ne krom aduane no ukodi ba akomiemu na fa oyema hey why ha the whole day oberane a enti we no memete ne mani je enye gare nka ho enye Shito ne gare ne mumu no Shito ankasa well package ones no enti omokoye no omanfa cook anko enti aduane a omobedi no ho no are going to be rice it could be braised rice and as a normal plain rice ye more normally almost Shito no any meat ne a friend is saying chicken ni be agugu so no madi omo person be so much into nkofo ne nuane no meti nuane am told to more requested from the hotel no akoye plain rice and I think say a very good technical decision to have done this because ukona ukoye bibia say omoduane ho ahwan mikudi ho ahwan a bit ma fa wo mama game no untimi kura emmo na no just for ne ba omukura de omudi obu pillows e bae enti Kotoko no de ne shitoko a good because yet kroma shito na na yedi bidi a wache yedi bidi fried rice ne ade enti yede shito akona ekonya plain rice ne nya chicken we are good to go breakfast nso de tea baby tea nso de obetima keka bia bom Kotoko le preve mineral water for no and the insuo be carton de wo ho and omo de travel call e no nso ya de o say on tem bia ka say if you have a good sponsorship in product tem bia no supply so far as anyoma we nyina no is concerned me no ka say Kotoko first leg of Mobowie no nkofo no are expressive interest in 3 Asante Kotoko players, and ironically they are all defenders with the details na bebro na Hakim Ziyech nsense no mame emfa finality emra Hakim Ziyech no no kre oko WAC of Morocco. Hakim Ziyech no oko WAC of Morocco, and yeah, I can confirm ono was a football career say Egypt won a club near front of Bronton in 2024, and in 2008 oba tima ya freno Heremveth into obo Heremveth na until say in 2024 oba 20 FC 20, so and in 2026 no or call club by friend Ajax into Ajax one in 2020 COVID year obekaya coach Thomas Tuchel time at Chelsea, and Hakim Ziyech by Chelsea and also have a stint with Chelsea. Now the Chelsea stint na we and in 2023 or joining Galatasaray. Then he came back to Chelsea in 2024 and also joining Galatasaray the following season until in 2025 or club BFN Al-Duhal X, you know. After that, no, and why without club in the last make I say 10 months in the calendar year on Shedan join a club here. And I'm going say we're joining to my friend WAC of Morocco no omona the opponent I know Mobobochina. But it is not certified that you'll be playing against Kotoko Echina Anaju because paperwork would have to be done. Once again, CAF competition, you know. Every month there will be a window for new registrations. Our window now you boss say you know you're close into the next month. So we qualify to the group stages at the next month, and you say be another window for registration of new players. Our person will add na what add until that's it on Hakim Ziyech. So it is true that Hakim Ziyech has joined WAC of Morocco. Now whether it is true say the day I use one joining Asante Kotoko no and also tie here na me the bro. The AYEW no the woman they say story no tembia afibia no the story resurface. This is not the first time Kumase Asante Kotoko any the AYEW stories no pop here. Name no and at the end of the day it is not true. Kotoko has not made any official bid to the AYEW, and the AYEW so has not contacted Kumase Asante Kotoko. The woman they say enra after the report of Hakim Ziyech no ebaye no ena ensenchofo a omo social media say o mano dendende asem ne ba bonsi akeka bom ne de abeto sa Hakim Ziyech a free agent no okọ work there the day you nso a free agent ono nso ye Ghana ni or ba the biggest club e wo Ghana ena stories ne ye den e sha say e flyer na stories no e flyer emre the day you ne bra ba ko Nebraba Rahim. I was able to get to him through WhatsApp and Ochemi say no. Komodie bisa enko so. The day you last club or boy you know Le Have AC. But currently as we speak or you're without club. The day you last club or boy. Okay, so we're both Fenerbahce in 2008 more and now about Swansea in the Premier League. It is a wabo Marseille, wabo West Ham. The day you on your player the profile no from Onya Kotoko obetima boni or a center forward and work for player no so or your winger right wing. So WAC for no etimi akofa your friend is saying Hakim Ziyech, it is within reach se Kotoko nso betimi akofa hwan DEDE when they possible, highly possible because DEDE to say or 35 or 36 would DEDE 89 if my memory serves me right. In 35-year-old Kofo no WAC for no player be Amrabat no kobe 39 years on ne gran Oma AD red card yo ne board koto atenema Kamara de nsa e pare ye no Amrabat no wadi be 38 almost a senior brother of Manchester United Amrabat no nti so omo football ne de at least in pennyfo kakra no mu wom eno no normal DEDE currently or 36 years because DEDE was born 89 DEDE 89 for 89-year group no DEDE 89-year group no but them say 36 no nyane ebe ko be December mana bibisa and that's the latest on DEDE AYEW Kumasi Asante Kotoko nsem na yemfa nto ba bi WAC for ne say omope Kumasi Asante Kotoko players me nsa be bo modin Joseph Ablo champion defender Joseph Ablo one say Joseph Ablo no ball be on oyi ne yem so obobo a untimi no nti omo hair first leg no omo ye very impressed with Joseph Ablo and omo say here Samba Onel omo say Samba no so ye serious player omo betimi e de abake omo defense line upon Samba Onel and player or yeah very exceptional and nyesenka Kotoko elusu game na Gabeka say he would have won the man of the match for Kotoko versus WAC in the first leg of Accra last Sunday, Kotoko right back, which is Lord Amwa to we are told say WAC for no I express a huge interest. Now Kotoko I can't point blank say at this particular time we are not ready for business. Let's concentrate on the field. Yenya ball no eduma field no eduma. We are not ready for business. And no name Kotoko I can't show.